This is Ford Fusion Titanium Eco Boost Fusion. The issue with this car, I have two codes here. It's P0088C and P0088. Most likely the issue are these two sensors here, the fuel pressure sensors. I already replaced this one. This is in the fuel line. This is the fuel line sensor here. This is the part number, and this is the piece right here. And this is located here. And this area is right here. Trying to show it to you. It is right here. Where is my finger? This is very obvious. You could just push that clip here and pull this harness. The other one is a little tricky. American manufacturer. It looks like they couldn't figure out how to make their harness better and easier to pull. This is the other sensor right here. Located right here behind this idler pulley and just to the left of the intake manifold. So it's right here. I'm gonna show you what to do, how to take it off. I'm just gonna show you how to take off the harness, because it looks a little funny, and when you try to push it with your hand, it's kind of hard. Let me just put a mirror here and show you what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. This is the harness. So very much you have to push this up all the way at the end here. This little thing here. It's kind of a little funny. I have this crooked plier here. And I'm just gonna push. Let me try to have control over the camera while I'm doing this. It's one hand, it's usually hard. Alright, so here is my alligator plier. So I'm gonna push this up, the little thing here. You hear that click, and I'm gonna pull it. See how it come up? Okay. When you try to do it with your hand, it's hard, but I did it with this little plier, so you can see it's right here. So this is the very much what you do here. Do you see how this is open up like this? It's easier because it's not connected, but it's when it's in the car, sometimes you're probably gonna feel something else that unlock this harness. Alright, so this is very much it. You just have to push this way. If you have a strong finger, you can do it. But I feel I don't want to hurt myself. Just did it with this little plier here. It's easier with almost 90 or 45 degrees angle. So that's very much it. So this sensor is right there. Let me try to get a better. 1 second, please. Okay, it's right there. Okay, so this is the part you're gonna have to remove. Let me just give you a better idea of what socket you need. So the one in the fuel line, you need socket 13. Hold on. You need socket 1516. Where is that little sensor? All right, and the one in the fuel rail, you need socket 116. Okay, so this is the socket for the one in the fuel rail. It's 116. I don't know if you can see that. 1/116 of an inch, and the other one you need socket 15. 1 second, 15/16. This is 15/16. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it, but this is 15/16. This is for the other fuel pressure sensor, and this is the one in the fuel rail, 1/116 for this one. It's not that complicated. You just turn it counterclockwise, and will come off. Don't over torque it, so you might break it. So that's very much it. I mean, you could do a lot of diagnosis on this car and try to see what's going on with it, but I very much this is a shortcut. The engine with the computer probably does not get the exact fuel pressure on this engine, and probably deliver very low fuel or no fuel, or high, more than a car needs. But at this moment, I think the car, when it starts in the morning or when you fill gas, that low pressure sensor, it sends the wrong signal to the computer. It tells them that the car maybe have high pressure, and that means lower the fuel pressure that coming to the engine. So those are the codes, and this is what's gonna fix it, for me at least. You have to do your own diagnosis. You have to make sure you do a thorough wiring diagnosis and make sure there's no shortage, there's no open circuit, there was no issue with the PCM. I already did this, and just I'm showing you very much how to what the parts you need in this case, in my case, and also I was pointing to you how to remove the that little harness for this sensor. Alright, so this goes there. This is an easy way to do it. Just make sure you don't break this harness, because I know I've seen a lot of them broken before. You pry it, you go crazy, you start to understand what's going on. This is 2016 Ford Fusion with the EcoBoost engine 2.0. It's 2016 2.0. Okay, so now we have a few full picture of that harness, so you figure out how to take it off. Just have to push this in and then it will come off. Alright, I hope this will help you on removing these little two sensors here. Thank you for watching.